Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to get verified instantly on BeNaughty and make sure that you actually get verified and set up your account properly. So let's get straight into it. Now as you can see, I have just finished creating my account with the email address and the password, etc. So the first step is to actually upload a photo. So let's just upload a photo, make sure that it's a nice photo. So here I will just put anyone like that. It's just for the tutorial actually. So you have to put an attractive photo. Okay, make sure that it's you, that you're not using someone else's identity. Okay, because this can get you banned basically. So let's go to I'll try it later. This is a paid feature on BeNaughty. So I'll go to I'll try it later. And here, as you can see, once I have put on a profile picture, I can complete my profile. So as you can see, I have a bad name. This is not my real name. I have completed my profile at 30%. Now I have to fill out some basic information like the screen name. Let's just say tutorial BeNaughty, for example. And here for the age, let's just put 20. I live in, yeah, say Brussels, and share what you are thinking about at the moment. Just say, I don't know, I like cars or something like that. Just write any info that may be relevant to you. So here, let's just put something like that. Now, once you can save that, go to personal info, go to your orientation, put it straight or bisexual or asexual or whatever. And here for the hair color, just put your information, the ethnic origin, your body type, etc. Save. And then here, looking for, find me a woman or a man or whatever. And here in the age, just put whatever range of age you are interested in. And here put in the location that you want, right? So now click on save, and for the additional info, just fill out this form and give as many infos as you can on yourself. And then after a few days on BeNaughty, you will be talking to, I guess, some people, at least if you have put on these informations that I have just shown you. So you'll get verified after some time, and that's about it. So I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.